Alrighty guys, it is 6:40 in the morning. Water temp is 63 degrees. Air temp is 47. We are going to be throwing some topwater this morning. It's pretty calm along the shoreline. Out in the middle of the lake, it's pretty breezy. So we're just going to have some fun and throw some topwater in the kayak. This is my first time out in the kayak, so it's beautiful out. I'm glad to be out here. Got the girlfriend with me, and we are going to try to catch some fish. What did she say? That's a nice fish. Smallmouth. Smallie. Nice. See?
Nice job.
Nice. Number one. Another one. She's still on. Number two in like 2 minutes. I doubt it. It's pretty hard plastic. I doubt you did. Holy crap! Thing smoked it. Small fish though. Oh, he got off.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. I thought he was huge. Really? Yeah. I wasn't. Yep. They hardly fight. Well, it's freaking about the size of the bait. Just a huge blow up and doesn't even fight. Number four. Alrighty guys, we are done for the morning. Just got out here quick for a couple hours. Woke up real early to get out here and make it happen. Got to go put a dock in at 8, so it's 7:30 right now. Fished for about an hour and a half, and I think we caught 4 to 5, maybe 6 smallmouth, all in that topwater bait. Wind started picking up here, and then I started throwing the jigger around just a little bit with no luck, but I really didn't fish it hard. So it was a fun little morning, peaceful. I'm glad I got out, and there's definitely be a bunch more fishing coming soon this week and into the weekend. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. There's a fish.
Where?
Right here. It's a pretty nice one. Dang it, he's spooked. Well, there's a bed right here. That's why. That's a nice bed. All right, we're gonna catch this fish. I'm catching this fish. It's on the bed. Oh, he had it. Oh, I had him again. He's probably just nipping at it, trying to get off his bed. Yep. You choked it. Yeah. Look at the tube's down his throat. Hold on, I'm gonna unhook him. I'm gonna unhook him.
You have to come back this way, probably.
What's that? Alright. That was fun. Alright guys, we are now officially done. Caught that one fish off the bed right by the boat landing. Probably a nice 14-inch smallie. We are now done.